is Lila Devi, the founder of Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 15 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our essence line of 20 according to their particular placement within our essence spectrum chart. Today, we'll be talking briefly about Spirit in Nature's orange essence for enthusiasm and hope. The wood of the orange tree works especially well for bows and arrows because of its tremendous resilience. And if you think about the branch of an orange tree hanging ripe with the lush fruit of the orange, it does not break. It will bend, very much like the resilient orange personality of perseverance. For enthusiasm and hope, orange essence blasts through obstacles. It is helpful during long-standing periods of despair or discouragement, and for seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. For children to express their innate enthusiasm for life despite any possible setbacks in the home, with friends, or at school. And also for pets who have lost an animal or human companion, or who may be nearing their own time of passing, or in fact are dealing with ongoing physical pain. Spirit in Nature's orange essence enhances the following qualities: energy, banishing melancholy, cultivating an inner smile, resolution of conflict, lightness, emotional integration, hope, a renewed interest in life, and lastly, for the power to endure difficulties. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you wish, please repeat after me now the orange essence affirmation. My thoughts dance on air with cosmic energy. Singing joyfully, they soar above every dark valley of sorrow. My thoughts dance on air with cosmic energy. Singing joyfully, they soar above every dark valley of sorrow. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. Our hope for you is for perfect well-being.